Did you know that on average, text messages have a 7 times higher click rate than email? And in e-commerce, clicks are incredibly powerful. In this video, we'll uncover the 3 best practices for adding text messaging into your existing email marketing strategy to drive more revenue. But before we get into it, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's jump in. Best practice number 1, identify when to send a text versus email. Consider the unique strengths of email and text. If you want to send your subscribers newsletter content, general brand updates, or messages with a lot of text and images, you'll want to use email. Email provides more room for your content and gives more flexibility with formatting. If you want to send your subscribers time-sensitive updates or exclusive offers, text is a great channel for this. The instant nature of text messaging makes it the most effective way to get urgent messages to your recipients. And what better way to reinforce the value of text than by sending perks exclusively via this channel? Best practice number 2, use an omnichannel campaign for major marketing moments. When email and text work together as part of a single, coordinated campaign, the impact is greater than either channel on its own. Rather than planning your email and text sends separately, Klaviyo's Omnichannel Campaign Builder lets you map out the full journey in one place. Decide which channel to lead with, when to follow up, and how each message builds on the last. During major marketing moments like a holiday sale, product launch, or site-wide promotion, this approach helps you reach more of your audience while keeping your messaging consistent at every touchpoint. You can also use your omnichannel campaign to layer in exclusivity. Give text subscribers early access or special perks alongside your broader email send. For example, try opening a campaign with a text to drive early VIP access. From there, email carries the detailed story of your promotion. Finally, close your campaign with one final text for an urgent last call reminder to shop before it's too late. Best practice number 3, add text into your existing email flows. Flows are an excellent way to convert and retain customers at scale. By adding text messages to your existing flows, you can meet your subscribers where they are and keep your audience more engaged. Adding text to your high-converting flows like abandoned cart, browse abandonment, back in stock, and price drop helps drive more purchases. The instant delivery of text combined with the personalization of these messages helps encourage subscribers to convert. While retention flows aren't as high converting as some others, adding text to these flows will help build customer relationships and increase brand loyalty. Try adding text messages to the following flows: post-purchase, replenishment, and birthday flows. And there you have it. Now you have the information you need to make more impact with text messages. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.